welcome back to my channel, and today we have a doll review for you guys. And as you guys can see from my matching outfit, I'm wearing lingerie, and as you guys can also tell from the title, we have the Bratz Nighty Nite collection, and this one is Sasha, as you can tell. Oh. But yeah, as you guys can tell, I'm trying to match with my outfit with the doll. I tried doing that with Jade too, my pretty and punk Jade. This doll was so controversial back in the day because obviously the girls are wearing slip dresses and like lingerie, and plus everyone always had a problem with Bratz for some fucking reason, and they thought that this doll was super sexual, but honestly there's nothing that sexual about this doll other than the slip dress and like the description in the back, but we'll get onto that later on. Now, I know people are gonna be like, why the hell are you opening her? Oh my god. I don't have the room for that, and I also don't like getting my dolls out of box unless they're complete because I love having all their accessories and stuff. And I like touching and feeling my dolls, and I like taking pictures of my dolls as well. You guys can follow me on Instagram down below. But yeah, I also wanted to start a photo series with her and Yasmin because I do have Yasmin from this collection, and I'm also trying to rebrand my account on Instagram so my shit looks more clean and more streamlined and stuff. So I feel like she's a good start to that as well. So that's the reason why I'm opening her, and along with her really messed up box. As you guys can tell, she has this smeared sale sticker or some type of sticker on here, and then also the tape was peeled off or it was ripped off. I mean, the seller tried retaping her, and that's really not cute, and neither is this huge smudge on the front. So I am going to open her. But yeah, let's just talk about the box before I destroy it. So this goes against the whole trapezoid gimmick that they always did. They did a rectangular shape, and they reused the flashback fever wave thingy that they did for that doll, and it sticks to like a pink theme, like a light pink, millennial pink, mauve pink going on. At the corner it says Toy of the Year, People's Choice, because Bratz was killing it back in 2004 or whenever this award was handed out. Also at the top it says the Nighty Nite collection. I'm really stressing this fucking smear right here because it's really annoying. But their handle this time is a hanger, and it has some real ribbon lace satin material. So at the bottom right here, it has Sasha's artwork right here. She's doing that arch that back challenge shit. And it also says Bratz Nighty Nite, has the tagline, the girls with the passion for fashion. And then it also has the MJA logo, also the perfume, content, weight, and then the warning label. Ages 7 and plus. It's weird because right here it says children under 3. It's really weird, really weird. On the back it has the same artwork but in full shape, and it's just Sasha sitting down, and then it has the Nighty Nite logo again. Right underneath the logo it says, I come with a camisole, pajamas, slip dress, and robe, real satin shoes, original rose petal perfume and bottle spray, exclusive overnight pillow and beauty sleep bag, and then tons of accessories. But there's only like 5 accessories other than like the stuff that the collector has. I don't know, it's really gimmicky. And then underneath all of that it shows like the controversial topic of this doll because it is kind of weird. So it says it's gonna be an all-nighter like no other. Join the Bratz for a private dress up and do up like no other as they deck out in the most feminine nighttime fashions around and take beauty sleep to a whole new level. Where it's like in quotations beauty sleep, that's kind of where it gets a little weird. At the bottom of that it also says the nighttime collection again, and it says collect them all, and it shows the prototypes of all of the girls in the collection, and it shows Sasha, Fiona, Jade, Yasmin, and Chloe. And then at the bottom it pretty much says that the cosmetics are real in here, so the perfume is real in here, so it's not recommended for children under 7, and it should be used with adult supervision. So watch out for that if you ever snag this at a flea market or something like that. So yeah, and then at the bottom it says the perfume ingredients, the expiration date, and the weight of the perfume, and it's a 0.27 ounce perfume, and it expired in 2005 in December. So yeah, you're not gonna see me putting that on my skin, but maybe we will review the perfume as well. And it also says another disclaimer saying do not keep it towards your eye, and make sure that you're using it on non-broken skin. It says do not use on broken skin. Discontinue if it gives you a rash. And at the bottom it's pretty boring. It just says the logo, and it has a UPC code with the MGA contest that was going on, and then their website and stuff. Yeah, and where it was distributed. So let's get this bitch out of the packaging. I'm pretty sure you guys are tired of me talking. I have Sasha out of the plastic window that it has. This is what it looks like. It's just clear all the way around. Ooh, actually, I can use this for some DIYs, guys. So at the bottom, it's pretty much all on its own card. So when you lift this down, it's like the label. It shows the signature package that they always put at the bottom of the box. It's a registration form, and it is also an entry for a free toy from MGA. And there is also this is their product catalog right here. Product catalog. It's a catalog for all of the 2004 stuff. And then at the bottom, the perfume. Yeah, and it also comes with a funnel. So this part says, includes original rose petal perfume and spray bottle. And this is like the vintage air squeezable one. I don't know if you guys can hear that. You put the perfume inside the bottle with the funnel, and then that's what is distributed in here. And then right here, it shows like a little room divider for like the dressing room style kind of stuff. But it has the robe and the camisole dress on hangers on top of this little room divider. So, and then right here it says on a banner, real satin lace shoes. And then right here it also says collectible beauty accessories, nighttime bag, and pillow. And then you can also see her lace pillow right here. Super cute. I love it so much. I want that pillow in real life. Let's get to actually unboxing her. Woo! Okay, so I got her out of the box. And it kind of took a long time, but I mean, I'm not surprised because it's like typical Bratz things to do, right? So let's talk about her. Okay, so this is the Nighty Nite screening. I think this is the first time they produced it. Not that I know of, at least. Someone go drag me down in the comments. So let's talk about her hair. She has more of this brunette color. It's like a dark brown, almost like mine. Because when this hair is shined in sunlight, it looks more brown. So that's kind of like her hair, but a little bit darker. And then she also has some streaks of like a honey golden brown color in here, but it's really minimal. It's not too much of a contrast. And then she also has her hair pulled all the way from like here to here. If you guys can tell, that's her hairstyle. Oh yeah, and another thing I forgot to add was that she smells like smoke, guys. Like when I unpackaged her, like she smelled like smoke, and it kind of made me mad because like it took me a year to open her and find that out, but I mean I can't do anything about it, right? Now for her face, she has her regular 2000 eyebrows. They're more of like the round shape, not too much of like the arch shape that they usually do. And then she has a greenish, like a dark green shimmer eyeshadow in the crease and like under her lash line, her lower lash line. And then she has a mauve-y pink color on her eyelids, and then she has more of a thicker eyeliner. And I know that varies depending on the production, and yeah, mine just has thicker eyeliner and eyelashes. So yeah, and then on her eyes, her eye color is a mixture of a army green, like a dark, like my curtains right here, and then light brown, like a warm tone, light brown as her highlight in her eye. And then she also has like the catch light that's like a strip, and then the circular catch light as well. And that's her face. Now for her lips, she has a shimmery mauve violet tone, and then her lips are lined with a red tone brown. Another thing to point out with this doll is that she doesn't have pierced ears, so if you guys are looking for a Nighty Nite doll and you see a doll with this same screening, look for the earring holes because this girl does not have earring holes. And also the makeup is a huge giveaway too, but just in case if you guys can't tell, always look for the earring holes in the Nighty Nite dolls. Alright, so let's move on to her outfit. Now she has this really cute satin tank top, camisole. No, is this a camisole? Yeah. And it has these flower lace going on lining the neckline because it isn't finished at the hem. So if you lift this up, it shows the raw edge of this tank top. So, but yeah, it's super cute, and it has darts under the boobs. It's a really nice top, guys. Like, this is a really nice top. Like, so much attention to detail, and I can't stress that enough when it comes to Bratz. Moving on to the pants, she has these, they're just like a cotton, like a thin cotton fabric, more of like a linen. It's like a flower print, and there's like a mix of butterflies and swirlies and stuff like that. So yeah, and they reach all the way down to her feet, and they're longer than her actual length. And it's finished off with this lace, the same lace that's on the top, so it matches. And yeah, and then the drawstring, it doesn't, I don't think it actually works. Let me see. Yeah, so no, this drawstring is a decorative drawstring, so don't try to lace that unless you want to, because there is a Velcro on the back as well. And then she has her bare feet, yeah, snap-on feet. So right out of the box, when you take out the extra accessories, the second outfit comes on the hanger like this. And this is the robe, and then this is a slip dress right here. But I'm gonna put this on Sasha so you guys can see it. Okay, so we have Sasha in her second outfit now, and this is what it looks like. It's the slip dress with the robe on top. Now, the dress is made of a satin and lace fabric, so the satin is obviously the whole dress, and then the lace is the applique at the hem. Now, it's the same fabric texture as the top, but it also has the same thing with the tank top. The edges aren't hemmed, but they put the lace on top to finish off the edges and stuff like that. So just keep that in mind. So let's go on with the robe. It's the same linen cotton fabric that the pajama pants have, but it has this satin material on the edges of this robe right here. So it's on the hem of the sleeve, hem of the opening of the jacket. And yeah, and I actually think this is the same fabric as the dress. Now the shoes, they are the, what is it called? The eye candies mold, I think. Yeah, because the platform is glued to the actual foot on here. So if you like deconstruct this, you'll see that there are pegs going into the plastic foot. That's how they tucked in these straps and this cute little rose on there. The shoes are made of a hard plastic that is not the same as the regular vinyl PVC that they usually use. And it's colored in a violet pink color for the sole. And then they also have this cool 3-strap satin material for her feet, and then there's also a rose on here too. So that's both of these shoes. So that's the second outfit. Now let's move on to the accessories. So the first one that's the least exciting is this beauty bag. So it's just like a roll-up thing, but it also has this yarn so you can roll it up and tie it together, but you can put in very, 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 very small accessories in here. Next we have these cute little hangers that came on the dress and then the robe. We also have this set of hand mirror and a hairbrush. So yeah, and the brush actually has bristles on here. Right here we have the tray and powder set that is right here, and this is a lid and the actual powder and puff right here, and then underneath it, it is a silver tray. And then next we have this lace pillow, and it is made of real satin fabric on the back, and then it has a lace overlay on top of it, and it's super cute. Like, that'd be so cute on my bedspread. Like, it would fit in so well. It's super cute. Next we have the gimmick of it all. We have the perfume bottle spray, and this is like the typical vintage sprayer where you press on this to get it sprayed out. And then we also have a separate bottle that holds the perfume. So yeah, I actually really want to smell this, so we are going to do a demonstration with this with the funnel that comes with it. So I will give you guys a close-up of this. Alright, so I changed the setting just a little bit just because I tried to capture some B-roll footage of me actually testing out the perfume, but turns out that the thickness of the perfume, it started to build up, guys. Like, it turned more into an oil than it did with like a liquid perfume. I think this one's more of an oil-based perfume. It really just thickened up over time. I think that's the reason why it was so hard for the perfume to go into the funnel and drip into the perfume bottle, because it was just way too thick. So I like got a lot on my hand. I kind of felt the texture, and it's a lot more thicker and sticky. So I definitely know that it's a thicker formula because one of the ingredients is glycerin, and that is a type of sugar that is in a lot of makeup to make the makeup more sticky, and so it doesn't seep into your pores as much or as fast either. So I think that's the ingredient that makes it more sticky, but the smell is more old lady, guys. To be honest, it's really, really floral. It just smells, it's on my hands. Okay, so to me, it smells like if you mix like a rose with laundry detergent. Like, if you mix rose with like Tide, a rose scented Tide detergent, that would definitely be the scent exactly. Don't buy it for the perfume, it's not that good. I don't know, I don't think you guys bought it for the perfume, but if you guys were wondering what it smelled like, it smells really gross. Yeah. Alright, so that's the end of this doll review for Bratz Nighty Nite Sasha. She's such a cute ass doll and she will fit well into my collection. I just need Jade, Fiona, and Chloe left to get. So if you guys have her, just let me know. I will definitely purchase her from you when I have the money, because bitch, I'm broke right now. But yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you guys subscribe to me because I will definitely be putting more Bratz videos. I'll definitely be posting more Bratz videos and other videos other than dolls. So get ready to see some of that, and get ready to see this picture of her, because I think I'll be uploading this video before I post this photo. So till next time guys, I will see you later. Bye!